Welcome to another edition of The Kid Chef Show, starring Randy Ravioli and Billy Bob Pancake.
Hi, I'm Billy Bob Pancake, and this is my awesome friend Randy Ravioli.
Hi, I'm Randy Ravioli, and in this episode of Kid Chefs, we'll be teaching you to make chocolate milk.
The ingredients are milk, chocolate syrup, or any kind of chocolate milk mix.
Your instructions are: 1. Fill a glass full of cold milk. 'That's about it. 2. Add about 1 or 2 squirts or scoops of chocolate syrup or mix.
'Stir it up and enjoy.
Doesn't look great. Scrumptious!
Delicious!
We hope you liked our Kid Chef show. See you later!